Australia.
What did you find?
Australia.
She said, that's Australia.
Let me
Wow.
see.
Okay, get it back up there on the globe and show us other things. What's in Australia? Here, get up there.
Outback.
The outback, she said.
Yeah.
No, and where's Idaho? Point to it again. Anyway, yes,
Where's Arizona?
she put her finger right on it. Yep. Arizona is the green. Here, don't pull on my arm, please. You can't see it while I'm recording.
I'll show you more.
Okay.
Japan is right here. I found Texas, John. Look, this Texas, Papa.
Texas, you're right.
That where is your dad, Papa?
Yep. My papa lives in
Yep.
Texas, you're right.
She pointed right at the purple one. Good job, babe.
Papa, what's that one?
Well, that's Mexico.
Guatemala.
Central America.
What's that one?
The Andes, Peru.
Papa, what's this one?
South America, Brazil. Hey, Helen, let me ask you a question.
Yeah.
Is Ireland in Asia or is it in Europe?
Europe.
You're right.
Wow.
I'll find Europe. Europe.
Okay.
What's that?
Saudi Arabia.
Saudi Arabia. Mama, that's what you were at when you were a little girl.
Nope.
When you were still my mother.
No, I didn't go to Africa, honey.
What's that part?
Those are countries in Africa, the continent of Africa.
Continent.
Good pronunciation.
Yeah.
What's this? Do you know what this is?
The bump, you mean?
Yeah.
That's the Himalayas.
Yeah.
Separates Tibet and India. And
that's Japan.
and
Japan.
what else? What's that green one on there?
Yes,
Okay.
I know.
One of the. I can't see it.
I'll be right back.
Nepal.
I'll be right back.
I think.